principal is now going to face more scrutiny from the investigative agencies. But because the Bengal government has formed an SIT, BJP has slammed it. BJP is not convinced. Bharatiya Janata Party is calling this a move to shield Dr. Sandeep. What would be the shield with regard to an SIT probe? According to the BJP, they are claiming the cops are using this as a shield to cover up. The cops will arrest Dr. Sandeep Ghosh because then CBI may not be able to take him in custody. BJP is calling for Mamata Banerjee's resignation. This is a post by Amit Malviya, who's a BJP leader and also a co-in-charge for the state of Bengal for BJP. He's saying 4 IPS officers are part of SIT. How are cops equipped to investigate financial crimes? This is just Mamata Banerjee's move to save Ghosh because then CBI will not be able to take him in custody if the cops take him in custody first. Unless Mamata Banerjee resigns, free and fair probe is not possible in this case, is what Amit Malviya is saying. Ritik, I come back to you on that. So clearly, that on the surface it does appear that the Bengal government is also jumping in. They also want to ensure that they are doing their share of fair probe. But BJP is coming in to say this doesn't look like what they are saying.
The questions are being asked by the opposition and several people over here. Why now? Why now the state administration and the home department forming an SIT against Sandeep Ghosh to probe the all sort of allegation? Why now? And why even earlier when we were told from very confident sources that there are several serious allegations were raised and complaints were lodged with the Vigilance Commission and the concerning body. Why the then administration did not take any action, and why now? Why the Sandeep Ghosh enjoys for his long stay at this post, and now cops are also acting with regards to this. So we do understand that the government and the ruling dispensation has come under a huge pressure, but it has also triggered political row that BJP, rightly pointed out whether there was some allegation to cover up something. So, I mean, it's a situation. CBI is probing. So, what was the nitty-gritty to initiate several, investigation against Sandeep
Ritik,
Ghosh?
keep us updated on this because this is now getting more interesting. Of course, there's been an investigation that's on first from the police, then from the CBI that's taken over the case file. Bengal government forms an SIT. BJP says it's hogwash. The focus, remember, meanwhile, has come on Dr. Sandeep Ghosh.